Another big story today. A Virginia Tech football player accused of murdering a 40-year-old Blacksburg man will walk free until his next court hearing this fall. Today we learned new details about this case during a bond hearing, and 10 News reporter Lindsay Kennett is on that story. She joins us live with what happened. Lindsay?
Isemi Chute's lawyer tells me he will be released from jail today. Initially, prosecutors filed an appeal, but they reached an agreement after the hearing. In court, prosecutors also said that Itute and Smith had agreed to meet for a second sexual encounter in May, but that's when Itute discovered that Smith had been posing as a woman. Family and friends of 18-year-old Isemi Itute embraced after a court hearing Wednesday. A Montgomery County judge granted the teen bail while he waits for his next day in court. Defense attorney Jimmy Turk, fighting back tears during his arguments in the hearing, told 10 News afterwards he thinks it was the right decision.
There was no evidence at all that Isi would have posed any threat to anybody.
Itute's family and about a dozen classmates, plus Smith's family and friends, also in the courtroom. During the hearing, prosecutors argued against Itute's release, describing what happened the night of the alleged murder. Prosecutors say Itute told police he matched with someone called Angie on Tinder on April 10th. The two met up and Angie performed a sexual act on Itute. Prosecutors then say on May 31st, the two met at Angie's apartment, and that's when Itute discovered Angie was not a woman, but the victim, 40-year-old Jerry Smith. Prosecutors say Itute told police he punched Smith in the head multiple times before Smith fell to the ground, and then punched him more and stomped on his head. Prosecutors said all of the bones in Smith's face were broken and he was missing teeth. Despite hearing a bubbling and gurgling noise, prosecutors say Itute left the apartment and did not call 911. Outside court, Turk said what happened to Smith is not acceptable.
It's very tragic.
But added Itute believed Angie was a woman during their first alleged encounter.
It's certainly a lot more than somebody walking into an apartment and potentially taking someone's life or being responsible for that.
He says this sheds light on the dangers of modern technology.
Nobody likes to be told that you know, I'm somebody, but that's not who you really are.
Itute's preliminary hearing is set for September 23rd. Per the court order, he must live with his parents in Virginia Beach and stay at home. He'll be monitored by GPS, and he's not allowed back in Montgomery County unless it's for a court appearance or to meet with his attorney. And he's also not allowed to contact the victim's family. Reporting live in Montgomery County, I'm Lindsay Kennett, 10 News, working for you.